So we had to stop for the coffee and check the Willie t-shirt. Miss.
So big rain.
It's very big rain. It's really literally was like a flood and everywhere. Check this out.
Yo, what's up?
We're going to Legian, having some bintang, flying new drone today. However, first of all, I have to change tire because it's a bit warm.
So the tire actually really bad condition. So we will go to the bengkel, to the mechanic to change the tire, and then we will head to Legian today.
Yeah, let's see. Stay tuned. As you can see, it's a lot of tires here. You can have a Chinese tires which is cheaper, like 10 bucks, or you can have a Michelin. I choose Michelin. I had actually this one already, so nice tire for the rain, by the way. Because as you can see, my tire is bit old. So definitely time to change.
Hello guys, you've been in Padma guys. Welcome to Padma. Have a good day.
Inilah customer saya yang suka ngephone. Apa kabar? How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. Apa kabar Mbak? Baik. Tapi sehat semua Bu. Sehat. Begini aja dah.
Hey,
We arrived to the Warung Karika to Legian. We'll see how is it over here, yeah?
bye-bye Ibu Erika.
Apa cupang?
Cupang?
Fish. Viral in Indonesia.
Really?
Yes.
Show me more.
Maybe if you lucky, you can buy this 1 million.
Oh my god!
15 juta.
Seriously?
Really?
I'm not lying.
No, I believe you actually. I believe you actually.
Even 15 million. Oh my god.
No, you're gonna be rich later.
But it is not for sale.
Oh, not yet. Maybe. What's that? That's a small 100k yet.
100.
But later will be 15 million.
Yeah.
Oh, look at my sunglasses. It's really nice on you. Actually, Damian left his sunglasses under the seat and in his
And I'm too
bag.
lazy to go back because I got already my bintang. We are in Legian, Warung Karika like usual. Plans are changed because it's very windy and it's little bit rainy even time to time. So we're gonna make a drone unboxing and flying maybe tomorrow or other day. Let's see how's the weather condition. Yes, honey, what would you like to say?
So, this is how it is now in Legian Beach. Still rubbish. And I spoke to Erika before that how it is your warung situation, because at this time during the PSBB or just like limited activity, the social activities, you know. And I asked, is the Banjar ask you to close early or what happens? And she just explained, right, yeah, if there is no customer, I just close it. So,
She looks sad actually, even I asked her. I didn't, maybe at the beginning where we come she was happy, but inside you can see us.
yeah, because you
she's
said that
sad.
not much customers, you know.
Anyway, I can see around not much is happening. I will show you a little bit around, and also will be probably no sunset today. Cheers,
Cheers.
anyway.
it's raining. And then I just walking, and then I found, oops, the kacang seller. Oops. It's full because the plastic is not really good. So I bought the kacang, the peanut, and also I bought the telur burung puyuh. Alright, so when I was walking, I found the peanut seller. I'm so sorry that I forgot to record him because I'm super excited that I found.
Like usual when it's food.
So one bunch, this one cost you around 2K. And I also bought this one, boiled telur burung puyuh. So burung puyuh, like a type of a bird, small bird actually. So yeah.
I mean, you mean eggs?
Eggs. Another one, telur burung puyuh. So this is how it is, kind of special bird, small bird. So please comment below if you have ever been trying, or if you already eat this food in Indonesia or somewhere.
And what do you think about it?
It's like an egg in the small portion.
Yeah, but people to comment what they think about it. Whoa, the tractor, cleaning tractor is coming. Drive so fast. Yo, what's up?
So I've got many bunch of peanut. I bought a lot. This is only for me because Damian doesn't like it. This one, how to open it? Squeeze, open, and
by the way, check this out, the sky over there. It's gonna be rainy soon.
I think there is already rain.
Yeah, but here gonna be rainy soon.
It is already small rain. Peanut and bintang.
Another tractor with some machine to clean the rubbish. So it's some progress. Maybe. Alright, current situation looks like that as we are moved to Seminyak and we're gonna have a bakso. So it's quite similar what we did actually 3 or 4 weeks ago. Bakso. The difference is at that day was so many people, it was beautiful sunset, but now it's a little bit more quiet. Bakso is the same, Coke is the same, warung is the same, but the sky over there is not this. It's definitely gonna be a big rain, yes honey? And it's quite windy, so we so sorry for the sound quality, probably little bit, you know, but
Yo, sama. Oh, mantap.
kacap, bakso, chili.
Chili sauce, aduh enak banget.
Bakso time.
Bakso.
So you had the eggs, you had the peanut, and now it's time for the bakso. So that's
One portion, 15K.
about $1 US. Coke about 20K.
Look at my bakso.
Honey.
This is beef bakso with the sprout, grass noodle, onion, and tofu. Fried tofu.
Okay, smacznego.
Dziękuję.
And he's still eating bakso. Actually, that's my bakso because I just eat few balls. Few balls, how it sound. But it's beginning to be rain. These clouds are coming. There is even worse. In general, it's gonna be huge rain in just 5 minutes, maybe not even less. Meanwhile, cheers. All right. Rain arrived.
Rain already going on and on. Can you hear the sound of the rain in the umbrella and the sound of the wave? And then, yeah, I spoke to one of the sellers. Actually, they said the Banjar asked them to close at 8. So I think that we will go soon. I don't know. It's big raining.
They clean, and it's gonna be really huge rain over there.
Look at you. Hey, put the hoodie on lah.
I know, but the pink color is very spectacular. I know, but I think okay, it's very windy right now.
Okay, let's go. What sort of restaurant is it? Alright, so now we are in a Bintang supermarket. For those of you who miss how Bintang supermarket, unfortunately they are closed and they are building a new building actually. And I see the sign over there for the Bintang supermarket. They just opened in the parking over there at the back. So for those who miss Bintang supermarket, this is how it is right now.
Yeah, it's gonna be a new building. The traffic, like always. Welcome back to Bintang. We are open for. By the way, this is the egg what Ini used to have. Nice.
Alright, I think that's all our video today. It's really big rain now in Legian. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye. This is Bintang supermarket, the temporary one.